Hey, Skip here, and I'm going to show you why I use honey for shooting pancakes and not maple syrup or car oil. All right, so let's grab the pancakes, and I always like to keep them kind of cold because that way whatever you're using for your syrup's not going to soak in as easy. And so by using actual maple syrup, here's kind of what you're going to get. Maple syrup looks like. I'm not even going to show you what car oil looks like because it basically looks exactly like syrup. But honey, here's the right thing about honey. It's going to give you a much more controlled, richer. Let's just compare that again to the maple syrup. There's like a streak of honey, and here's like a streak of the maple syrup. See just how much like that's going to show like that maple syrup. It's so clear. You guys can see that on the camera, but the honey just is going to look way better. And I'm using like a raw wildflower honey. A skewer through just to kind of help keep all this stuff together. All right, now we're going to come over to here, and we've got our placement for our shot. You can kind of see what's happening on the computer.